Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones Sony. So let's open the application, and I also recommended to install the application to enable a lot of features here. And the first one is you have Bass Boost. I like it, I prefer it, so if you can enable it here. And next one, you have a really cool option to customize your equalizer, so you can just change it what will be the best one for you. Next, let's go to device settings. You can find your equalizer, so it's really a cool feature to find the best one for you. If you want to, you can make it. Also you have Bluetooth connection quality, so you can change for prioritize sound quality. So yeah, and the last one, you have DSE, so you can enable it also in the application. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.